my new and returning subscribers too. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a great apple dessert that will really knock your socks off. We're going to make apple crostata. And the apple crostata is crossed between an apple pie and an apple tart. And this is so delicious, simple, and easy to make. It's going to be bursting with apple goodness. And it's going to have a buttery, flaky crust on it. So grab your apples and your pie crust sugar, because we're about to bake some apple crostata magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. My friends, in my bowl I have 4 apples that I peeled and cored and sliced them to an 8-inch thick. And for this recipe I'm using Granny Smith, or you can use the apple of your choice. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And what the lemon juice does, it gives the flavor, but it helps preventing the apples from browning. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons each of white and packed light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin spice. I'll post a link to that video down below in the description box. And 1 teaspoon of caramel extract. Give a little hint of caramel. And we're going to stir all this together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring up all my apples. Smells good. I love the smell of pumpkin pie spice. Alright, that looks great. Oh, and off camera I added just a pinch of salt to bring out all the flavors of the sugars and the caramel extract and the lemon juice. Alright, so now we're going to set our apples aside. In the meantime, let's get started on our pie crust. Alright my friends, I got my pie crust onto a floured surface, and this is my homemade buttery pie crust. I'll post a link to that video down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerated pie crust. We're going to roll it up to 11-inch round. Alright my friends, I'm through rolling up my pie crust, so now we're going to put it on my baking pan. Alright my friends, I got my pie crust into my baking pan, and I lined it with some parchment paper and some flour. So now we're going to pour the apples right in the middle. Alright my friends, I got all my apples along with the juice on the crust, and you want to leave a little room to a 1/2-inch border. So now we're going to fold the crust up. Alright my friends, I folded my crostata together. So now we're going to brush the edges with a little egg white, which is 1 egg and a little water. And we're going to sprinkle a little sugar and brown sugar and some chunks of butter. Alright my friends, I brushed and put the butter and sugar on my crostata. So now we're ready to put this sister in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 400-degree oven. Alright my friends, I have taken my apple crostata out of the oven. It smells so good, and nothing like the smell of apple desserts. And the crust is nice and golden brown, and the apples are tender. Alright, there's one more thing I gotta add to the apple crostata. Some toasted sliced almonds. And there you have it my friends, apple crostata. That looks so beautiful and delicious. Alright, I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, here we go. And I got me a scoop of vanilla ice cream to go on top. Lord have mercy, my mouth's watering. The crust is buttery and flaky. The apples are soft. I can taste the spices. That is the bomb.com amazing apple crostata, my friends. Y'all will love this recipe. It's a great dessert on a cool fall day. Apple-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.